Good morning everyone. Today we'll start our next topic of chapter 11, that is heart. Okay, and heart is a important part of our body because it's pump the blood in all parts of our body. So first of all we will learn about the structure of heart. What is the heart structure? Okay, so uh, heart is an organ which pumps blood to all parts of the body, as I told you just now. So the heart is about the size of our fist और दिस मुट्ठी. ओके, हार्ट का जो साइज है वो हमारी मुट्ठी के जितना होता है. द हार्ट हैज़ 4 चैम्बर्स. हार्ट में 4 चैम्बर्स होते हैं. 2 अपर चैम्बर्स आर कॉल्ड आर्ट्रिया एंड द 2 लोअर चैम्बर्स आर कॉल्ड ventricles. Okay, so there are 4 chambers in heart. Upper one, 2 upper one, that is arteria, and 2 lower chambers are ventricles. So remember the terms which are using for the part of hearts. Okay, so caught it nicely. And the heart has partition in the middle which prevent mixing up of oxygen rich blood and carbon dioxide rich blood. Okay, the left part of the heart separated from the right part of the heart with the partition. That partition is called septum. Okay, the partition is called septum, which divide the hearts into 2 parts, that is septum. Understand? And now you can see the part of heart: aorta, left lung, and left atrium, left ventricle, this is right ventricle. Okay, and this left ventricle is this one, and right ventricle is this one. Understand? And okay, with arrow I will tell you this. Okay, and this, and the right atrium is this part, and left atrium is this part. Okay, and this is right part of the heart. Okay, and this is left part of atrium. Okay, right one, and this is left one. So I think you understand the structure of heart. Now we will learn about how that circulatory system do its work with the help of heart, or how the what is the function of heart in circulatory system. Okay, so for this to understand this function, you have to focus on this structure. Now I will tell you, and you can see here that pulmonary artery and pulmonary veins. Okay, the pulmonary veins always carry the oxygen rich blood. Understand? Pulmonary veins always carries the oxygen rich blood. Understand? So, and they carries this oxygen rich blood from lungs to the left atrium. Okay, I will teach you with the yes, this is pulmonary vein and these are the lungs. Okay, lungs. So these pulmonary veins are this one. Okay, P, I am writing P here. Pulmonary veins that carries the oxygen rich blood from which left lungs. Okay, and then this blood is sent to the left ventricle. We have seen in the heart structure that left ventricle is here. Okay, this is left ventricle. So pulmonary veins, this carries this blood, oxygen rich blood, in left in the pulmonary in the left ventricle. Understand? Now from here it is pumped to the whole body through aorta and artery. Okay, singularly it will called artery and plurally it will called aorta. Arteries divided into many small vessels called capillaries. Capillaries also we studied in my previous video. I told you, I taught you that one, that what are the vessels. These blood vessels are extremely thin and also consist of very thin walls. बहुत ही पतली वॉल की बनी होती है और बहुत ही पतली होती हैं. And these vessels help to join up the arteries and veins. और ये किस में join होती है जाकर बाद में? Arteries में. Okay. So from the left ventricle this blood, okay, this blood is pushing to or transport to the all body part through aorta and arteries. Okay, you have to learn the terms, then you will nicely understand and you can explain it in your question nicely. Now after that, how it will transport to the all bodies, because there are small vessels that is called capillaries, and from through it will flow to whole body. And then now the blood from the arteries goes to the capillaries where the nutrients, oxygen and waste material are exchanged between capillaries and tissues. और कैपिलरीज और टिश्यूज़ के बीच में ही जितने भी न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं ब्लड में, या फिर ऑक्सीजन होता है या फिर वेस्ट मटेरियल होता है, वो सब एक्सचेंज हो जाते हैं. एंड आफ्टर दैट वासा केवा ब्रिंग कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ब्लड फ्रॉम द होल बॉडी. देर इज वन मोर part, functional part is vena cava or vasa cava. We can say this is carry the carbon dioxide rich blood from the tissues from here. Okay, from here it will taking, the vena cava is taking all the carbon dioxide rich blood to where? Right ventricle to the heart, and after it that pulmonary arteries, through pulmonary arteries to lungs. Understand? So this is the full circulation of blood that happen in circulatory system. Understand? And that is the heart work, and lungs is also involved in it. Understand? Now we will go for the heartbeat. Okay, that is one more topic, that is heartbeat. Yes, heartbeat. Now what is the heartbeat? The walls of the heart is made up of muscles. जो हार्ट की जो वॉल्स होती हैं दैट आर मेड अप ऑफ मसल्स, मसल्स से बनी होती हैं. दीज मसल्स कॉन्ट्रैक्ट द रिलैक्स रिदमिकली, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड रिलैक्स रिदमिकली प्रोड्यूसिंग हार्ट बीट. और जो हार्ट की जो मसल्स होती हैं दे समटाइम दे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड समटाइम दे रिलैक्स. सो रिदमिकली एक टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग, टाइम पीरियड में ही वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होती हैं, रिलैक्स होती हैं, दैट दे प्रोड्यूस साउंड and that sound is called heartbeat. We can feel the heartbeat. Okay, we can feel the heartbeat if we place the hand on the left side of the chest. अगर हम अपने चेस्ट के लेफ्ट साइड में अपने हैंड को रखेंगे तो हम इस हार्टबीट को फील कर सकते हैं. हाँ, just do the practical of this, you also, all the children. And the human heartbeat about 70 to 80 times per minute. जो ह्यूमन की हार्ट बीट होती है वो एक मिनट में कितनी बार होती है? 70 से 80 टाइम. अंडरस्टैंड एवरीवन व्हाट इज हार्ट बीट? द वॉल्स ऑफ द हार्ट is made up of muscles. These muscles contract and relax rhythmically, producing heartbeat. We can feel the heartbeat if we place the hand on the left side of the chest. This is the definition of this heartbeat. And this human heartbeat, how many times it will beat? 70 to 80 times in per minute. Okay. Now there is one device that is called stethoscope. This device is used to hear the sound of heartbeat. Okay, for what? It's using to hear the sound of heartbeat. It has a chest piece and two ear piece joined in the tube. You can see in the picture, this is chest piece. The doctor will keep it on your chest, and there are the two piece, and the doctor will set it in his ear, his or her ear, and then he or she can able to listen about your heartbeat, and then they will diagnose what is your heartbeat, about your heartbeat. Okay, so I hope the function of heart and the structure of heart, okay, and the work of circulation of blood in the human body you will understand nicely, and the heartbeat also. If you are having any query, you can write, I will answer you, or till then you read your chapter or focus on it nicely and learn these terms. Okay, aorta, ventricles, septum. Learn the spellings also and terms also. That is useful for you. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you.